Hi wonderful people, so today I am going to be doing a unboxing video from Chanel. I'm really excited just because it's a bag that I've been wanting for a really long time, so if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. So, hi, my name's Derek. I do also things luxury related here on this channel, so if you like that kind of content, please subscribe to this channel, press the notification button, and press the like button because if you press one thing, might as well press the other because they're all kind of close to each other. So let's get right into this unboxing because I'm so excited right now. Again, it's from 20A and it's from Chanel, and I'm just going to take the camellia off right now and then take the ribbon off, and then... So yeah, so I kinda opened it, not gonna lie, and I just kind of ribboned it back up and like kind of packaged it back up. So this is not a true unboxing. I'm really sorry about that. Tissue paper and
ladies and gentlemen, her
dust bags right here, and you guys can already see it because it's not even like wrapped or anything. Here's the box, whatever, I'm just gonna put it down. But anyways, it is a white cocoa handle from 20A. It's like really like washed out right now because of the lights. But it's the 20A cocoa handle with the light gold hardware, and it is the mini size, the extra mini size. So it's not like the small, but it's like the extra mini size that they had, that they like recently like made from 20, I believe it was 20K. They like released the extra mini size. Don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. But anyways, I'm really excited. This is like really washed out. I don't even know how I can like fix it for it to like not even look like it's washed out. It's not as white as you see it. It's a little more eggshelly, or not eggshell. It's kind of, it's not like a stark white. It's more definitely a, wow, the lighting. I don't know how to fix that. But like the lighting is definitely making it more white than it should be. But I feel like it's not a really stark kind of white. And I've been wanting a white bag for the longest time. But I'm really excited that I finally have one in my collection right now because I've been wanting one again for like the longest time. So again, it is the white cocoa handle extra mini, or I believe it's called the mini now because the small is like the old mini, whatever. But anyways, it even comes with the belt. Kind of checked the stuff out already. It comes with like a strap, which is a lot more shorter than the other two that I have right there. Well, not shorter, it's like smaller, I should say. Like it's thinner. Like the strap is a lot thinner. And then on the inside it has the new barcode, which is like more of a plaque than a barcode. But it doesn't have that sticker anymore, it just has like that gold plaque right there. And yeah, I'm so excited. And the inside is fully lined with leather. So like there is a zipper compartment in the back, and then an extra little compartment right there, and then a bigger compartment over there, and that's all it has. And like the middle actually has a flap right there, and I'm so excited about this. So I've been wanting a white Chanel bag for the longest time in my collection. I wanted a white plastic flap from Chanel for like the longest time, but it was just so expensive, and I was just like, I don't want to pay. I had like a few like price increases, so then I was like, oh, I just really want a white Chanel bag, and I just never really put the trigger on it. And then I decided to start looking into Coco handles. I believe 20K collection is like when they introduced like the white iridescent Coco handle. I've been wanting that for like the longest time, and I've been like searching on like Fashion File and all the other like kind of websites and all of that stuff to see if there was like a good priced one, and I finally found one, but then I was kind of hesitant on pulling the trigger with it just because I knew that white bags were kind of hard to take care of because I don't really like baby my bags. So then I decided I shouldn't get it because it was like one of these size, like the medium size that they had on Fashion File. That was like the 20K white iridescent one. But then I saw this one, which is from the recent collection from 21A. I know that they're on 21B right now, but or 21B had just released. So then I saw this one, and then I was like, I'm gonna get it, and I pulled the trigger on it, and I finally got my white Chanel bag, and I'm so excited, and it's such a little cute little thing. I decided to get a smaller one than the bigger one because I originally had called my Chanel SA lady, and I was like, hey, I kind of want the white Coco handle that's coming out for 21A, and I texted her. And then a few weeks later, she was like, oh my god, I finally have it. If you want it, it's yours. And then I just didn't pull the trigger on it because I was on vacation and I wanted to see it in person. And it was like the bigger size. It was like these two kind of sizes. And then I was on vacation and I really, really wanted to see it in person before I bought it. So then I was like, can you hold it for me? But then she didn't really give me a yes or no answer, so then I was just kind of like on vacation and I was just like, okay, whatever. She didn't like save it for me or whatever. She probably like ended up selling it to someone else. So then, and I also did like the whole reservation kind of thing for it too. And then she texted me again, and I was still on vacation. I had not come back yet. And I kept thinking like, oh, she like gave it to someone else, and then she didn't, and then it just kind of like fell through and it didn't happen where like she gave me the pay by link as well, but then I just didn't want to pay for it if I didn't see it in person, and I wanted to see it in person. Like that was like my main thing. But then I ended up seeing this bag, and then I decided to get the smaller size just because, again, I'm a type of person who doesn't really baby their bags or whatever, so I'm definitely going to get it dirty, and I don't want it to get like yellowed or anything. Like over time it's probably going to get yellowed, so I'd rather have it on something more smaller than something more bigger than these two kind of sizes. So that was kind of my logic and kind of like the background story of me trying to get a white Coco handle bag, and I'm just really, really excited about this purchase, and I'm so happy that I had it in the collection because it's so cute, and I'm so excited to add it in my little collection that I have going on, and I'm just in love with it. I will do a more in-depth video of like what fits in here in a later kind of video because I really haven't used it yet. It's so small, but it's definitely such a cute little bag, and I'm so excited. So that was my unboxing of my 21A Coco Handle Extra Mini size, and yeah, so hopefully you guys learned something new by watching this video and have a wonderful day because you're wonderful, and don't forget it. Alright, bye guys.